Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the humidity control slide in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to replace it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new humidity control slide. This humidity control slide is located at the left side of the crisper pan cover. It controls the amount of cold air that enters the left side crisper pan. The main reason why the humidity control slide should be replaced is if it's broken or missing, making it impossible to adjust the humidity level inside the left side crisper pan. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Let's pull out the crisper pan. Now we can lift up the front end of the cover and slide it out. Let's place the crisper cover on a workable surface. And what next we're going to do is push up and remove the glass shelf. Pull it backwards. Careful, don't break it. Now we're going to remove the right side humidity control slide. I'm going to raise the frame, and I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver to open that tabs. I'm going to push it down. And release it. This is the old humidity control slide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, I'm going to place the new slide right into the cutout. All 4 tabs in, and I'm going to push in so all 4 will lock. And then we can slide it back and forth. Put it down. We're going to install the glass shelf. First, we're going to put in the front end, and we're going to slide into the groove there, and I'm going to slowly place the rear end in, and now I can put it into the fridge. And we can install the cover back on and put the back in first. And place the front on the support. And we're going to install the crisper pans back in, slide it on the rails. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.